Once you've taken a step back to consider your background, you're ready to take your first step forward. But wait, don't forget to make sure you know where you're going. There are two components to consider: your target audience and your digital goal. The great thing about digital marketing is that you can pinpoint these goals with far more precision than with any analog alternatives. Let's look into the first component. Defining your target audience in detail is the best way to ensure your message doesn't get lost. If you try to reach everyone at once, you'll most likely miss the target entirely. The best way to start aiming in the right direction is to identify your customer based on these three dimensions. What type of person would have use for your products or services? How much and how frequently are they willing to spend? Which customers have a larger social network and potential to influence others? This last dimension is what really sets digital marketing apart from analog methods. Customers that have a higher social status are more attractive targets, as they can spread the word to a big audience that is willing to listen. This type of viral marketing is unmatched in its effectivity. Once you know who your target is, you can move on to the second component. What is it that you want to achieve? Do you have branding goals, or do you have business goals? Branding goals are closely related to building relationships with customers. First, you need to be noticed. In that case, you're looking for awareness. Isn't it a great feeling when your first crush recognizes you? After they already know you, it's time to build a relationship. Being friendly and reliable always helps, but it's even better if you turn on the charm. After you're getting along, it's time to take a step further. You want to be introduced to the friends and family. This creates a sense of community, which is pretty much the holy grail of marketing. When you create a social bond that revolves around your brand, it becomes a part of your consumer's identity. And this, simply put, makes it very difficult for anyone to break up with you. Business goals are more straightforward. You can be trying to attract a new customer to make their first purchase. In that case, you're looking for a new sell. If you want to make sure your existing customers keep making new purchases, you're aiming for a repeat sell. Or you may want to take a step further and interest your customers in buying a different product you're selling. That would be a cross-sell. Identifying your audience and defining your goals is everything when it comes to building your strategy. Deciding what to prioritize isn't easy. In fact, it hurts. And you know what? It should. If you claim you've worked with strategy and it didn't hurt, then you haven't worked with strategy. And no, you shouldn't try to do everything at once. Remember that those who try to succeed with everything usually succeed with nothing. That's just how it is. Making this decision may be tough, but it will ultimately save you from heartbreak later on.